Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're ready to connect a phone call to your computer. Start by turning on Bluetooth on both devices and installing any companion app like your phone or link to Windows. Make sure the phone is unlocked and set to discoverable so pairing can proceed. On the computer, open Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device. Select your phone. Once the devices see each other, accept the pairing code on both screens to establish a secure connection before routing audio. Once paired, you need to route audio. Open the companion app or system sound settings and pick your phone as the input and output device. Some apps show a headset or hands-free profile. Choose the one labeled Call or Telephony. Grant microphone and notification permissions so calls can be controlled from the computer. Make a short test call or record a voice memo to verify you can hear the caller on speakers, and the remote party hears your computer microphone clearly. Finish by enabling call notifications and call control so you can answer or end calls from the computer. If audio quality or connection fails, first switch between headset and hands-free profiles, then disconnect and repair Bluetooth. If problems persist, connect the phone via USB and enable USB audio tethering or use a USB headset. Make sure both devices are charged and within about 10 meters to reduce interference. This resolves most dropouts and gives you reliable call audio on the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.